So we've got 3 students working with IKEA through the Sport Work Skills qualification that we run from both Peaks campus and Hillsborough. It's about giving our students the opportunity to learn those basic work skills but get some more employability skills alongside that, and those soft skills that often are overlooked.
I think I'm more confident in speaking to customers, and I think I've got more better with technology and just gaining confidence and communication skills and teamwork. And because here at IKEA Sheffield, I must admit, they work brilliant as a team, and they're just fantastic. I must admit, the one I've enjoyed doing the most is Click and Collect, because the team down there are absolutely fabulous, outstanding.
IKEA Sheffield as a store has benefited so much from this placement, and I think the individuals like myself, my team, the co-workers downstairs, there's so many people who had involvement in the placement that there's been so many benefits from skills and knowledge and understanding and how to deal with and working with autism and neurodiversity. The benefits aren't just for the students, but also for the business and the individuals involved as well. But I can already see that from the students today to the way they were 11 weeks ago, they're completely different people.
I'd 100% suggest IKEA, because you just feel welcome here, and it's not just a workplace where you go in and start working. The staff are friendly, they make you feel welcome and they make you feel a part of the team, which is absolutely fantastic in my opinion.
They should be proud. It's nice to have some fresh faces and fresh air as well, because especially we don't have anyone that energetic, which is really good. I'm glad we've had them. I will miss them though. I would definitely recommend it to other businesses and making sure other businesses get involved as well.
Probably most outstanding things they brought to us is their energy. In particular, I think Deacon has got great energy. I've heard from the co-workers and the team that he's been working with that he just sort of lifts the room up. He's very energised, fast-paced. But Kieran and Jamel have also fed into that environment. So they brought a great sense of energy, uplift into the team.
I think I've been on the Click and Collect service. I'd enjoying it. See, problem solving and organising, and I think customer service too. I think they're very, very good and really character building, I must say. And kind as well. Keep it cool and stay safe as well.
When I first started at IKEA, I was nervous, but over the 11 weeks, they've just helped me.
They are good managing. I think they're good at. They have lots of team, the friends staff to help us. Yeah, they're really nice and staffs.